In this video, I'm going to show you how to make Reels on Facebook. Facebook has introduced a new feature by making a Reels, which is just a short video on Facebook. And if you are interested in creating one, in this video, I'm going to show you a quick way on how to get it done. But be sure to stay to the end of this video so you don't make any mistake. On your Facebook homepage, when you navigate to the top left corner, you see Create Reels. So proceed to tap on it. And you have the option to pick the file that you want to use. In this case, I'm going to use this one. So I'll proceed to tap on it. With this file selected, I have a tons of menus beside it. So I can add an audio to it. I can also add a text to it, effects, stickers, and save. So in the event I want to add an audio to it, I'll just have to proceed and tap on it. So if I want to add the music, I have the option to add music. I can also add a voiceover. So let's add the music, for instance. So this will pull out the list of music for me. I can play the music and listen to the music before adding it. In the event I want to add it, all I have to do is to tap on it. Now the music has been selected. I can also tap on texts, and I have a list of font size that I want to use. I'm going to select this one and create a text, after which I can proceed to tap on done. I can reposition the text and drag it to the top. In order for me to post this reel, I'll just scroll down and locate this next icon and tap on it. And if you are interested in adding a further description to your reel, you can tap on this box and type anything that you want to add, which further describe the particular reel that you are interested in sharing. After that, you can proceed to tap on share now. And that's it. You have successfully made a Reels video on Facebook. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider check out our next video. See you in the next video.